Detox foot pads. Are you into detoxifying? If yes, then I bet you heard about Detox foot pads. Detox foot pads are available anywhere in the world these days, from small health stores to large health facilities in town. They are also offered online with lots of detox centers out there on the cyberspace featuring detox products and services. The Detox foot pads first came out as a result of the ever-growing demands for foot detoxification. Yes, foot detox has been around for years now, and they are currently becoming so popular with more and more people considering the practice. Foot detox is in the first place developed following the principles of reflexology. It was designed with the notion that the soles have their reflex points that correspond to the major organs in the body. It is for this principle also that the Detox foot pads are crafted to help clean the body and make it healthy. The Detox foot pads are applied typically before going to bed. Each foot needs one pad, placed anywhere on the foot, usually at the center. According to several claims, the foot pads may release some heat right after you have placed them on. After minutes or hours, they may turn dark, and this is what believes to be a sign of toxins being released from the body. The Detox foot pads may become sticky if the levels of toxins eliminated from the body are high. According to the typical instructions for the foot pad use, the Detox foot pads must be worn for a minimum of 8 hours a night. Detox experts said that if this followed, it will bring better results and a maximum cleansing effect. If you see the pads turning darker and darker, it only means one thing: more toxins are eliminated from your system. On the other hand, if the pads remain pale after the usual 8 hours of use, your body is clean and pure. Today, the Detox foot pads come in a number of names. They are marketed by different companies with different names, but all of them are designed and formulated for one particular purpose: to help the body eliminate toxins in a natural way. One popular product in the market these days is the A-Cup Detox foot pads, which is offered in sample packs. According to proponents of this item, the A-Cup foot pads can help the body become strong and capable of fighting fatigue and all sorts of bodily imperfections. The A-Cup Detox foot pads can also enhance metabolism, as well as the quality of sleep. It can improve circulation, release and eliminate toxins and wastes, lessen topical pains, and promote general health and well-being. All of such mentioned advantages are all deemed possible with the use of Detox foot pads. So if you think detoxification is best for you, then you may consider this notable option. But before you do so, consult with your doctor first regarding your condition, as detoxification is not best for everyone.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.